Hey, what's good, y'all? So Latrell, check this out. I actually just got the, hold up. Acer AN515-54. If you look online, you can actually find this thing for around $1,000. And I'm gonna tell you how I got it for free, goddammit. Alright, y'all, so if you watch my channel, you probably already know that I use two laptops. Some of y'all probably don't already know, but some of y'all might. I got the Lenovo Yoga 99 and the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360. Shout out to Lenovo for sending it out to me, and shout out to Samsung for putting a hole in my wallet. Both of those are great laptops, but I never really had a gaming PC until now. This is actually my first official gaming PC, so it's still a laptop. It's not like a desktop or anything where I'm gonna be over here playing Skyrim. But this Acer Nitro 5, that's what it says here on the front, so I guess that's just the name I could have said in the beginning of the video, but whatever. This thing is actually a decent laptop. I looked on Amazon, they're going for around $700 to $900. But you can actually find this thing for more expensive than that, which, I mean, I guess you could for any product. Anyway, looking at the specs on this thing, it actually has some decent specs. So the specs we got on here is the Intel Core i5 9th Gen, we have an NVIDIA GeForce GTX GPU, dual M.2 support plus one hard drive slot, which I have no idea what dual M.2 support is, but alright. IPS display, we got all that good stuff on there, and then look at the ports on this thing. Let me go and show you that. So we have an Ethernet port on here, which I guess it makes sense. I mean, it is a gaming PC after all. HDMI, USB-C, and then we have two USB 3 ports. On the right side, we got a headphone jack, regular USB-A port, and then we have our AC adapter port. So overall, 1080p display, this is actually a pretty decent deal. We even got a 15.6-inch screen on here. Now, I never explained how I got this thing for free yet. Did I rob a Best Buy? Yeah, that's definitely what happened. Nah, but really, I went to this layaway store because my brother told me about this, how he went to some layaway store where he's at. And I went to a layaway store out here, and basically what happened was I asked them if they had any broken things or what they consider broken. And you could just go in there and pick it up. So like if it's what they consider broken, then they just charge it off and pretty much anyone could just pick it up. So at this point, I got an LG TV, TCL, Samsung, and I got this laptop. And on top of that, they said they had an all-in-one for me that I just got to go ahead and pick it up whenever it's available, so I'm gonna go and check that out. But yeah, the manager that works there is real cool. I really respect her. Now, I ain't gonna lie, it's one of those places where if you don't got no credit, then they're gonna just charge you crazy interest rates, which I ain't with that. But I'm not gonna deny free stuff like this, so I'll take this. Thank you. Basically, what I'm getting at is now I think I have capable hardware to do at least some decent games, so I want to go ahead and stream on Twitch. Because before that, I was streaming on Twitch, but I was streaming on my Xbox. I don't think I tried with PS5 yet, but I've been streaming on my Xbox, and it's just not the same, obviously. And who knows, maybe I'll become a part of the PC Master Race, we'll see. But I gotta say, besides some scratches on the back cover, this thing is looking great. Like, I really see no defects on this. I see no dents, no nothing. Now here's the catch, there's always a catch. That's why they consider it broken. At least from what I can tell, I went ahead and bought a charger from Best Buy, and I plugged this thing in, and even though it was way under wattage, it just wasn't charging for me, so maybe the batteries did. I might need to go ahead and replace the battery, but on top of that, it might just be the charger, because like I said, the charger was just way under wattage. But in order for me to get a charger on the Asus website, it cost $100 because of how much power this thing's need. It's just crazy. But still, even if I had to get a charger and a new battery, it's still way cheaper than buying an actual brand new one or a used one. Like honestly, this is probably one of the dopest pickups I got in a while. Besides me getting a broken Z Flip on eBay and then getting it fixed by Samsung, this is pretty dope right here. And it's an Acer on top of that, and they make some dope gaming laptops from what I heard. So no, it's not gonna be no Core i9 or anything like that with no crazy graphics from what I can tell anyway. It do have the GeForce GTX, but we're gonna have to go and try that out. But let me know, y'all want to see gaming streams from me? Let me know in the comments below. And also, I gotta get an Elgato capture card because I'm not gonna just be screen recording on here. We can't be doing that on here, ain't no way. Anyway, y'all, let me go and get up out of here. I just want to go ahead and show y'all this real quick. It's a dope pickup from what I got so far, and I gotta go ahead and try it out. I went ahead and plugged this thing in, and it had a Windows password on here. But as y'all know, all you gotta really do is just download the ISO on the internet, and you can just factory reset it, and you're good. There's no more Windows password on here, which I already did. That's when I had the charger, because as soon as I unplugged the charger, this thing just cut off just like that. Anyway, y'all, appreciate you for coming through. I gotta go and get up out of here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go ahead and follow me on my social media at Ecentech on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. Of course, all my other social media is down there, like my other YouTube channel, my other TikToks, all that stuff on there. Twitch, even MySpace, you name it. Go ahead and follow me all down there. I appreciate you. Anyway, I gotta go and get up out of here. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one then. Peace out.